Good morning to all the members of Global Philippines. By the way, my name is Randy Peña, one of the ordinary participants of Global from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And I just want to share my 6 Get Help with my account. Last November 3, 2015, I get help in the amount of 82,300 pesos. And my Get Help includes my referral bonus, my video bonus, and my 30% growth per month. And I successfully received my earnings with my blockchain account. As you can see here, this is my blockchain account. And I just want to thank all the participants who give assistance with me. Thank you to Susilin Sanchez, Jenny Ubay, and Tadeo Aida. Thank you so much, guys. And I just want to thank also the founder of Global, Mr. Sergio Mabrodi, for sharing us this ideology. At malaking tulong po sa amin ang naibibigay ng Global dahil sa pamamagitan ng pag-share namin ng sa iba, kami po ay natutulungan at sila naman po ay aming ding natutulungan. So, sa community po, bawat isa ay nagtutulungan. At napakaganda po ng ideology na binabahagi niya sa atin dahil dito po makakapag-umpisa tayong makapag-ipon at malabanan natin yung ating financial problem. Muli po, ako ay nagpapasalamat kay Mr. Sergio Mabrodi at sa Global. Together, we can change the world. Long live Global. Thank you all, guys. God bless.